What's the crack, lads? And in today's video I'm going to try to make part 4 of the team football game of scratch. So in this video we're going to be doing we're going to be renaming, we're going to be fixing all the mistakes, and we're going to be doing the rest of the code for the ball. So my name is Killian from CNC Game Factory. Like, subscribe and hit that teeny weeny bell to turn on notifications. I'll give you a few seconds. So yeah, I think that's enough, so let's get straight into it. So I'm looking around now and I noticed that these things, these variables up here are there and we don't want them there. So get rid of them. And that we need a set score down here, so the score will change, change score, so score will change. So this one, lowercase score, and in the sign color, uppercase score. So let's just go around the sprites. Okay. Oh yeah, just in case for this one, so go to events, when Greenflag clicks, and hide, just in case it doesn't hide. Now these are all zeros. Okay, I didn't notice that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so now we can rename. So that would be player striker. And this is the player defender. This is AI striker. AI defender. We can call this one like goal with like what if you exclamation marks. This is the player score. This is the AI score. And this is going to be the scoreboard. Okay, now we can finish off the code for the ball. We can also rename the project. So when green flag clicks, okay, go to motion. So yeah, we can go to motion. Also get a forever loop. Yeah. Go to motion, point in direction. Between minus 180 and 180. Okay, and then forever. Sorry, I mean if then if the sensing, actually before that go to operators. Get an or touching. Ooh. Duplicate. Oops. Oh, sorry, actually, I've got one thing. Move 9 steps. And also, yeah, if on edge bounce. Wait, I skipped him there. Yeah. Actually, wait. Put this here, and then do that. Now we yeah. So get play sounds. Oh, sorry. Start sound basketball bounce, which should be in there. Yep. Make sure it's low down enough. Yeah, okay. And just in case, move 9 steps before that. And also for the touching ones, you can put in player, striker, and AI defender. Duplicate. Down here, put that down here. Player, defender, and AI striker. Duplicate. Take them out to player, defender, and player, defender, and player, striker. And then go into motion, point in direction, pick random between 40 to 140. Duplicate. AI defender and AI striker. Minus 40 to minus 140. Let's have a try. just here, it's not working. Okay, just to make sure, here put in, so here, that's good, and here put in go to 0, 0. Right there. Okay, I don't know how to fix that. Oh, look. Wait, actually, let's see if this makes anything better. Oh, no, that's not gonna. Then here. Yeah, okay. So yeah, my name is Killian from CNC Game Factory. Like, subscribe, and hit that teeny weeny bell to turn notifications. That's it for part 4, I guess. And that's it for the series. Again, my name is Killian from CNC Game Factory. Like, subscribe, and hit that teeny weeny bell. See ya.